So this video is about the structure of Amazon listing optimization. What parts of the listing affect your sales and your ranking in different ways? What parts do you need to tweak in order to increase your click-through rates, get more people onto your listing? What things do you need to tweak or improve in order to increase your conversion rate, which means more people that are on your listing actually buy your product? So I'm going to go over the structure and the things to really focus on without going too much in depth, but how it all kind of ties together, how it actually gets people back to your listing and the mechanics of it. So let's start out here on the search results page. So if you type in Grow Brush and what comes up there, we want to focus on the click-through rate. So the focus there is just to get people to click on your listing so they can potentially buy your product, right? And not click on everyone else's listing. So the things to focus on there that we have a lot of control over, the main image would be the biggest one. So you see a lot of people out there, their main image, it shows up really small on the page. We want to make it take up the most space possible, want it to be really well lit, really nice angle of it, a whole bunch of different things that it won't go too much into here, but making that really attractive sells a click. The other thing that a lot of people don't think about is the title. The keyword stuff the heck out of it. It doesn't look very attractive. You really want to have the first bit of the title as closely match what the customer was searching for as possible, because if they just type that into the search bar, then that's literally what they're looking for in their brain. They're scanning the search results trying to find the closest match to that thing is. So if you can match that, that's perfect. The second little bit of your title after that should be your most important describing information, because again, people are scanning up and down, they're trying to find the product that's perfect for them. They don't want to waste their time clicking on all these different products to figure it out. They want to figure it out first and then click on that product. So optimizing the title and image, super important. Obviously the other two ones are review rate and price, but we're not going to talk about those. Those are kind of different things here. The next thing to consider for both of those things as well is on competitors' listings. The main image and the title are super important on those as well, because you show up in customers who bought this item also bought, product display ads, you frequently bought together sections. There's a lot of sections all over competitor listings or related products that are also showing your product. So you're missing out on an opportunity to steal some sales away from competitors and stuff like that. That's just like free traffic that Amazon's giving you from other listings. So if you're not optimizing your main image and your title, you're really missing out on all that free traffic as well. So those two things, we're trying to optimize click-through rate. We're trying to optimize people clicking off of the search results page, off your competitor's listing, onto your listings. Now we're on to your Amazon listing. And this is all about conversion rate, CVR for short, you can see here. So we want to convert the people on the listing to actual buyers. Some ways you can do that are, so the most important thing here, photos get the sale. So many Amazon customers, especially in today's age of mobile and ADA, will look at the photos and they're going to make their entire buying decision off the photos, the price, and the reviews, and that's pretty much it. They're not even going to read the rest of it. It still is important to have really good bullet points and description and everything like that, because some customers, they really need to see that. But if your photos are not good, that's the main thing you got to fix first. A lot of people doing this wrong too. I do a really good blog post about this. I'll put a link in the video below to a full blog post guide. There's a video, it goes through all the how-tos on that in the description below, so check that out. But really that's the first thing you should be optimizing. The other thing is the bullet points. A lot of people, they try to keyword stuff the bullet points, it's not really readable. You want to make it short and concise and just about the main benefits. Each one should be about one benefit only, so people who do read the bullet points can scan and they can get a clear picture. Why is this product, like what is the main benefits of this product over other products? It's a really good opportunity to communicate a lot more stuff than you can in the pictures, because you can't put a whole lot of text on the pictures or else it just becomes too busy and people really can't see it on small screens. Another thing, the enhanced brand content description. If you're one of the lucky people to have a registered trademark and you have Amazon brand registry for your brand, then the EBC description, you can put a lot of pictures and graphics in there that really show off your product a lot more attractively. A lot of people just won't read the regular description because it's just regular text kind of chunked in the middle of the listing, but it's pretty hard to scroll over an enhanced brand content description. It's a whole bunch of graphics, a whole bunch of really relevant text, hopefully if you do it right. So it can increase your conversion rate by anywhere from 2 to 9% is what we've seen with our clients, so pretty good on that. Another thing I see all the time is people leaving important information out. So you need all of the information a customer needs in order to make a purchase. So that could be sizing, maybe they want to know if it works for the queen size bed. That could be, does it work for this? Is it a certain material? You'd be surprised how many sellers are leaving this super important information out. And me personally, when I'm shopping online, I'm always looking for something really specific. I have one question, is like, hey, is this gonna work for my situation? I'm scrolling through the listing, If I can't find it pretty quickly, I'm just gone, right? I'm gonna find someone else's listing. Amazon makes it very easy to do that with all these sections on every Amazon listing, right? So you have to make sure it's really optimized for that. And the last thing to kind of bring it full circle is using the right keywords. So if you don't have the right keyword phrases that match with what your target customers are actually searching, then you're not going to show up in the search results in the first place. That's really important for keyword ranking. So this kind of brings it full circle, using the right keywords, bringing it back to the search results page. And guys, there's other things. Of course, you need sales velocity, you need reviews, your price needs to be good, your product actually has to be good. This is just going over the basic structure of listing optimization so you can understand kind of what affects what and what you should be focusing on. And if you want to learn more about this stuff, guys, like I said, I got a really good photo blog post, full guide. I got another one on copywriting and keyword research, full guide, a bunch of free tools in there. You guys can do it all yourself. Everything you need to know about that. Another one about enhanced brand content if you want to learn more about that. So I'll put the links to all that stuff in the description below, guys, and let me know how it goes for you.